week. Coming up, kickoff, best of week 15. Steelers outscoring the Bengals 15-0 in the second half. Ben Roethlisberger to Eli Rogers. Steelers can clinch the AFC North with a win over the Ravens coming up next week, 24-20.
That's a no panic.
Philadelphia at Baltimore. The Eagles scored with 4 seconds left. They went for 2. Carson Wentz's pass incomplete. Ravens hang on. They can clinch the division by winning out. Giants at Philadelphia coming up Thursday. Colts, Minnesota. Indy led 27-0 at halftime. Andrew Luck to Philip Dorsett, the exclamation points. Colts are 1 game back in that goofy AFC South.
That's all it's done.
Gus Bradley fired after this performance by the Jags in Houston. They score the final 13 points of the game. May have a quarterbacking situation there. Tom Savage came in for Brock Osweiler. Titans completed a fourth-quarter comeback. Here's the former Chief Ryan Suckup. Andy Reid called a timeout, tried to freeze him. He missed that kick. He made that one.
Big loss for Kansas City.
Huge.
Oakland at San Diego. The Raiders are back in the playoffs for the first time since 2002. Currently the number 2 seed in the AFC. Oakland will host the Colts coming up.
The advantage of Kansas City opening the door.
Patriots clinch the AFC East first-round bye. Logan Ryan with the pick. 3 turnovers by the Patriots defense to set up the lone touchdown of the day.
They want respect, Dan. That defense wants respect.
San Francisco at Atlanta. Devontae Freeman, 139 yards rushing, 3 touchdowns. Falcons can clinch the NFC South by winning out. Detroit at the Giants. Look, Bob, 1 hand. Odell Beckham Jr.
Not shoot while you in double cover him.
Giants can clinch a playoff berth with the win Thursday night here on NBC against the Eagles. Green Bay at Chicago. You're 30 seconds to go. No timeouts left. And then that's plenty of time.
Don't worry about Aaron Rodgers throwing deep.
Here's Mike McCarthy starting off the best sounds of Week 15.
Hey, you have a positive question today? Did you enjoy the game? It's a hell of a game. Yeah.
I'm not sure what you're asking. I saw the same thing you saw, really.
Let's just say I'm a huge Patriot fan for the rest of the regular season. I could say that much.
It's about my pay grade if you don't know that, man. I want to keep my job.
We don't make decisions on, how much a guy gets paid. We make decisions on what's the best way to win a game.
I'll leave it up for you guys to decide.
Pass interference, defense number 21. Clearly it's declined. Touchdown. Pass was incomplete, so we don't have a touchdown.
Gave them the option actually with my suit guy. They can get whatever they wanted from him. It's a lot of fabric.
You believe Bill O'Brien?